Hey y'all, I'm in the process of getting my laundry room redid. So right now, what they're doing is probably taking up the floor. I don't know if they're taking up the floor or painting first, one or the other. But they're in the process of getting ready to take up the floor or paint. I gotta go in here and see, cause my husband, he be trying to move so fast, child. He probably doing it without me. But we're gonna go see what they're doing. But the walls is gonna get painted and the floor is going to get redid. And my husband took it upon himself to do it with his cousin. And I don't have to do anything at all. So I'm gonna let them do them, and I will decorate by myself. Okay? So let's go see what they're doing. Alright, so we got these towels over here on the floor. This is what's coming up. And this the walls of the living room.
Yeah, they got an ice maker.
So, gonna redo this and the walls. Did you mix it?
Yeah, I mixed it.
Alright, y'all, Ben here, he painting the walls. What, Oreo? Oh, you gonna paint the whole thing, babe?
What you want?
Huh? Cause you sure messing up.
What you want?
What I do? What I do?
Sometimes you take this and make the bag of the high roll.
Everything.
Yeah, now I'm running left, right?
Okay. Alright, y'all, now they're in the process of removing the tiles off the floor. So put some new ones down.
Right there, right there. Now come up right up, babe.
Huh?
They ain't gonna come up now.
Why it ain't?
It's on the hot water heater.
Cut around it.
You gotta break it off.
Go ahead.
You go ahead.
I'm recording.
You gotta tell the people what you're doing.
What you finna do?
I ain't gotta say nothing. I'm like the people you watch on TV. I ain't gotta say nothing.
Okay, y'all. This the towels they finna put down on the floor. Self-adhesive vinyl floor tiles.
This babe laying the first tile, but she can say she did something today because she ain't did nothing. Got a little paint on her head. She taking 40 years to pull it off.
I did something, right?
Yeah. Let her lay the first tile. She can get on out the way. You know what I'm saying? She knows she love to be on the camera. Who gonna clean that up?
I guess you ain't.
Y'all ever seen somebody take 40 years to pull out some tile paper?
That's all right. Get pulled off right.
Girl, it don't take that long. She laying the first piece of tile down. Let the family see you lay the first piece of tile.
That's right, in our house.
Let me get in there.
Women can do this too. How far you want me to push it?
Till you can't push it no more.
Oh, okay. Oh shit, I done broke. Oh, I thought I broke something. Okay. There. Now you can smooth that. Look good. Didn't I do good, babe?
They laid the first piece of tile down.
Alright, now come on. You gonna lay the
One of them trash cans where I put these bags, where I put this stuff in. Super one house. No.
This one ain't by empty. No, it ain't. It's empty. Just gonna throw them in though. You can take the whole trash out.
take these gloves off. I don't want it took you so long to get it off. I'm over there talking to them.
Say what now?
I see why it took you so long to get it off.
And you doing what?
I'm just get it done. Yeah, this motherfucker. What kind of glue is it? Gorilla glue?
Adhesive.
I'm living that fancy shit.
You got paper on the other side of that.
Oh.
Flip it over.
I can't get those gloves away.
Are you gonna go ahead and lay it down now, or you gonna set it out?
Y'all gonna have to work from one side and then go because it got to come out even.
We fit the lines up for her, Jay.
That what you doing?
That's what I thought he was doing too. Hold on, babe. Let me get it. Hold up.
Man, that little piece is not finna make no fucking difference.
It makes a difference with how it stick.
No, it don't. You don't it's stuck on there now.
No, it's not. Let me just give me that one. Just get you another one.
I'm about to cut one. Where y'all at?
He right there. He done peeled one. What you peeling for?
Lord have mercy, Jesus. Thank you, Jay Bear. How I look, babe?
I don't know yet. They gonna look good with this towel though. They ain't gonna look that bad. Bart really ain't gonna be able to see them, but ain't gonna look that bad.
Give me one now.
What?
There we go.
Did I give you the scissors? What you need, a marker or something? So he cutting a piece to fit over there in the corner. Now we know you need a razor or something, but the scissors working just fine. But like I said, it would have been perfect if this here would have had some lines on it. That way you can follow the lines to cut. But these don't have no lines. So whoever made tiles, if y'all don't put lines on the back of y'all papers, maybe the cheap tiles don't come with the lines. But cheap tiles, expensive tiles, all the tiles, if it's sticky, y'all need to put some lines on the back of y'all paper so people can cut it straight. That'll sure enough help a lot.
Hey, fuck off.
Hmm?
Oh, hey, fuck off.
We gonna make.
I want to know how they make this stuff not stick on it.
But these look like the ones we had at the other house in our bathroom, don't they?
Yeah.
Them hard tiles we had in our bathroom. I just remember, I'm like, these tiles are familiar. Now you make all rest on straight, then that's the only part you're gonna have to fix right there. Uh-huh.
It'll be alright. We'll have something over it anyway.
you gonna get you a massage down now. It look good though. I like it. Look better than what was down there. Can't complain. You ain't no professional. You trying. I can complain a little bit.
No good.
What?
No good. One thing, they got that paint, though, it dry quick.
Mm-hmm. Let me see that blow dryer. Hmm.
Crack that meat.
Crack what? Alright, y'all. So this how the flow turned out. We did our best for the first time doing this. It turned out okay. The paint around the bottom and all that stuff ain't perfect, but ain't nobody gonna be able to see that. So it's all good with me. But this how the walls turned out. All that there. It's all good. Alright, y'all, so they getting the wash machine in here. I got the little feet to put them on. That way they rise up off the floor. You can sweep up under, mop up under and stuff like that. You know, get it up off the floor. It'll keep from rusting the bottom of your washing machine if you have to sit your washing machine outside. You don't have to worry about it rusting. And they look like this. They just little risers. And mine is like the double ones. You put them together. It got the grips to keep the wash machine from gripping. Shaking and stuff. And I ordered these off of Amazon. So normally my washer and dryer used to sit on the floor. But once they hook up the washer, I'll show y'all exactly what washer and dryer. I'll show y'all exactly what they look like. They sat on the floor just like that, flat on the floor. They've got probably little feet on the bottom of it, but it barely rises up off the floor. So they sat on the floor flat like that. All right, y'all. So this how I look elevated up off the floor.
Okay, you ready?
It looks good. I like it. It ain't perfect, but it's perfectly imperfect. And it's okay.